Hi, I'm Zach Caligari, freelance graphic designer in New York City, and today we are talking about Photoshop. In Photoshop, brushes are one of the most fundamental tools that you can use to create things. Although Photoshop comes with a variety of preset shapes and sizes, you can also download your own presets and even create your own presets. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download presets from the internet and get them into your brush palette. So the first thing you want to do is go into your favorite web browser and type in something like free Photoshop brushes and see where that takes you. Just kind of click any of them. There's lots of places. And just choose a brush set that you find interesting and download it. Save the file. And when the file is downloaded, make sure you unzip it. And then you can close your browser and back in Photoshop. From Photoshop, the easiest way to get your brushes into your brush palette is to go into your brushes window and select Load Brushes. And find where you unzipped your brushes. Usually it's some kind of ABR file. Click Load. And there they are. They're right there. Now you can click one of the brushes, and I'm going to make the diameter much smaller. And going to make sure our foreground color is black. And now you can use your new brushes to make designs.